KSFMX, M7 Design, Cynic Clothing, JC Power Sports, Parts Canada, and those nifty 5 gloves that he's got on right there. The original outlaw of freestyle in Western Canada, Billy the Kid Cohut. Then I look over here at this athlete. We are literally blessed to have this guy here with us with the lifestyle that he leads. His slogan is, live what you love, and he lives the extreme athlete lifestyle absolutely 100%. Matachuk 111 is where you want to be. He goes out, does base jumping and parachutes, and indeed he probably feels a little strange at the moment. Alberta, Canada. Ladies and gentlemen, brought to us here by Yamaha Canada Sports, Scott Sports and RMR Suspension, Cody Matachuk. Then there's this long, tall, lean guy, most unique looking rider at 6 feet 5 inches tall. When he stands up on top of that motorcycle, you can't help but see him all the way up there to the top line of the Scotia Saddle Dome. Hit the Captain Morgan right now. Classic trick from this man. Started out as a baseball superstar, became a motocrosser at 95, 97, took up the world of freestyle, but these days, it just ain't on the bike. I mean, man, you were looking at a movie star right here. This guy did a little stunt work, well, a lot of stunt work, and he has a lead role in a new film coming up. I said, what are you doing in it? He said, I'm trying to kill Mark Wahlberg. Family Plans coming out a little bit later this year. Brought to us here by KSFMX, Parts Canada, Tiger Boats, DBK, and Monster. The KS and KSFMX, Mr. Keith Sayers. Then I watched this guy ease that clutch out on that big Kawasaki and think, man, how cool is it to watch one of your heroes, one of the originators, one of the innovators in this sport. Founding member of the Metal Militia, it was 2005 when he picked up the first medal at the X Games. Wish Stenberg. And then there was one rider on the end. One rider who seems to look a lot different than these old outlaws sitting right here. He was riding dirt bikes when she first began. She loved the dirt bikes, was inspired by her brother and her father, but found one under the Christmas tree at the age of 7. She started her pro career at 16, and in 2011, X Games racer in motocross, and brought to us by 805, Flex CBD, Bell, and Fast Out. Still with that motocross number right here on the front. Ladies and gentlemen, from San Diego, California, Vicky Golden. Now it looks to me like you guys are ready to get out here right now, as they're ready to ride for you. We'll try to get you guys to be like X Games judges when we're all done here. Judges will be looking for things like variety, differences in tricks, the difficulty, the toughness of those tricks, the execution of them. Do they stretch out long, or are they pulled in tight? And of course, the final point of that is all about you guys, right? Here we go. Reaching to the back. You see him come to the back and grab the cutouts underneath the seat. Backside, one-handed heart attack as he reached to the back. Beautiful execution from Matachuk. Out there, super can as he brought it around here. Got those legs up in that indie position as he twisted his body around. He's golden now. Oh, what a heart attack that one was. Classic style, one hand on the handlebar, one hand on the seat. Sayers now, you see him get that rev up there a little bit so he can hit that cliffhanger for you. Keith Sayers in a huge trick. Oh, look at this. Billy Cohut says, if you can do it, I can do it too. Matachuk in a one-handed clip. That guy is the most amazing athlete. The way Stenhouse comes to it there. with that kick out like that for a just look. Back to the backside there, getting that twist in that super can. Sayers in the slow motion rotation. He holds a world record in backflip over 140 feet a number of years ago. Kiss of death, tsunami style, as you saw him press it out of the handstand. Back there again, that's a different version of that trick. You saw him reach back once before. He was going for the heel there in an off-the-cue. Winston getting those hands off of there. No-handed flip here as the Pyro is eating it up here with Arnold. Oh, and I gotta love that. Remember, she picked up a bronze medal kicking the boys' butts in that particular competition right there. Sayers getting the hands off there. She floated through the sky. You saw those legs in that Shaolin position on the backside. Oh, no-handed flip. Again, Billy really reaching out there. Super can, super knack on the backside, twisting that body around, getting that indie in there as well. Oh my! I didn't think he was getting that one straightened back out. Almost came off the bike on the top side there. She's got her own version of a 9 o'clock knack. Love the way she does it so straight out like that. Hitting the helicopter. That's a version of the heart attack with that handstand, but those legs like that, that's a Canadian trick. Invented there, really hitting a holy crap. He just let go of a motorcycle. Man, oh man, you guys liking what you're seeing? What do you say? What do you say? Kohut letting go of the bike here. Wait a minute now. Hold on. We got two of them here. Hold on. You got two people on the ramp here. Big whips right there from Jeremy Stenberg and Vicky Golden. Now the three of them are sitting back here. It looks like a conspiracy going on. I'm not sure what they got in mind here, but there's a lot of conversation and some flip bars coming up. Here we go. Sayers in the front. Look at this. 3 variables on the back foot. Give them 3 times the applause right here. Good job. All right, now I'm not saying I'm trying to set up a competition here, but you know, if you guys get a little loud, you never know what you're going to see, right? Look at this. I want to point this out. They waited till they were past the apex before they hit the trick. That's an extra level of difficulty right there from Stenberg and Golden. Sayers, Kohut. Look at this. Again, variations in the backflip. That was a knack-knack backflip as they brought that leg across the backside. All 3 of them right here. You gotta love this. Jeremy's going like this. I think Vicky's leading the charge over here. I'm just guessing. Wait a minute now. They're all lining up here at the moment. Talking about it here. I wonder if they're thinking about the most dangerous trick of all. We'll see what's going on here. Maybe they've look at this. They've seconded Matichuk into it now. The 3 of them together. Stenberg, Golden, and Matichuk. Huge turn down whips from the 3 of them there. The very first trick categorized in freestyle motocross. The whip in a huge version right here from all 3 of these riders. Sayers up there, and look at this. You saw a super can from Keith Sayers on the front side. Billy hitting that version on the backside with that knack-knack out the back. Look at this. They're revving it up here right now. You can't be serious. These riders are talking about the most dangerous trick of all. All of the riders on the ramp at the same time. It's called the freestyle train. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? Because get your camera ready. We're about to give it to you 3 times. It's called WTF, and it's not what you're thinking. First trick is the whip. The classic first trick categorized in freestyle motocross. Will they all work together? Will they all work separately? We're about to find out. Man, you had like an X Games smorgasbord right there, including a nothing from Sayers in the middle of it. Man, they are hitting it big here right now. Now you want to get your phone ready. You want to be able to hashtag this KSFMX. You want to hashtag this Calgary. Could you dial 911 just in case on that phone? All right, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the stars of the Keith Sayers Freestyle Motocross team. These riders have risked their lives for you today. We hope that you were entertained. You'll have a chance to meet our riders a little bit later on at the Monster Energy compound.